Looking ahead, the future of gold investing in 2023. As gold continues to remain a popular investment option, the future of gold investing in 2023 looks bright. The value of gold is likely to remain strong due to its finite supply and strong demand both as an investment asset and a form of jewelry. Additionally, the potential for further market volatility may lead some investors to look towards gold as a safe haven asset. Investors should keep in mind that the price of gold can be volatile, so it's important to consider risk tolerance when making decisions about investments. In addition, the cost of ownership should be taken into account when thinking about whether or not investing in gold is right for you. Macroeconomic conditions should be taken into account when deciding whether or not to invest in gold. As the global economy continues to transition and evolve, there are likely to be changes with respect to geopolitical events, inflation, currency exchange rates, and more, that could affect the price of gold. Being aware of these factors is a key part of making informed investment decisions. In conclusion, investors still need to consider risk tolerance and cost ownership when looking towards gold investments in 2023. There are many companies who support investors with their purchase of gold. We have analyzed and compiled a review of the top 5 companies to help investors to buy gold. Check the description to see the top players, and visit our website to request their free investor kits.